Jimmy just fell down. Yeah, but easy. No. I don't know yet. Let me try. Yeah, these things ain't easy to pick up. Okay. I was going too slow, that's why I fell. Yeah, I don't want to hurt my back lifting it, so. Only need one. No, I hear you. Oh, you could do that?
Yeah. Okay, well, don't, yeah, leave it alone. Let me do this.
You gotta get on this side.
Not you, though. You just fell off. Step back.
I didn't get hurt.
Disconnect this fucking thing. Disconnect your wire.
Yeah. Let's just pick it up, Chris. Yeah, I was going too slow at that point.
Smell that gas. Ooh.
Yeah, we all slowed down and made it tougher.
So I can't get on this side. I can't.
It's gonna be a bitch to start. She's well flooded. You either shake it out here, just go up there. We'll rest a little bit. Floor it. All the way. Throttle all the way there. Still clear. Let it go.
Plug me in. Hey.
Good thing we had this actually. No one would know because they didn't know you fell.
My hands are good now.